my goal was to emulate real-life home alarm system, and these are all the materials I used, including LEDs, Raspberry Pi, Samsung computer, multi-mail wires and mail wires for board, LED resistors, buttons, other stuff. This is all the code. This area right here basically starts the timer when it doesn't receive any particles back. They'll start the timer, and when it does receive stuff back, it'll end the timer, then uses the start minus the end time, and then end minus the start time. And then they multiply distance, distance equals duration times half the speed of sound, which is 17150, and then it just says the distance. And basically, if distance is less than 50, it'll turn on one of the LEDs. If it's less than 40, it'll turn on the second one too, and so on and so forth. And then so if I put my hand right here, the red light turns on, and the yellow light, and the green light, and the blue light, and then all of them turn on. They start blinking. They can press this button to turn it off and reset it. And that's it.
Well, does anyone have any questions?
Yes.
What is that stuff that's printing on the screen?
That's the distance that it detects.
In units?
Centimeters.
Centimeters? Okay.
Yeah, question?
Alright, let's give a round of applause.